Next is the turn of the second player. Here too we need to check whether the value of the game state variable is play and whether the value of the turns variable is an even number. If the condition is true, the text assigned in the player 2 choice variable can be given as the text of the button that is clicked. First, let's set up the else if here. I'm going to click the settings icon in front of if. Now, drag the else code block to the left side of the box and remove it from here, and instead, let's connect an else if code block here. Okay, now click again on this settings icon. Now, the code block is arranged as if else if. Here for the condition, you can duplicate the code block we created earlier. I right click on the code block connected to the if section and duplicate it like this. Now let's connect the duplicated code block to the condition of the else if section. In the case of the second player, the value of the turns variable is an even number. For example, the second player gets chances like 2, 4, 6, 8. So let's check here whether the value of turns variable is an even number. I click on the arrow in front of odd and select even. If this condition is true, the text of the button that is clicked should carry the same text assigned in the player 2 choice variable. Duplicate the set button component's text to code block that we created earlier and drag it into the else if section like this. Click on this arrow and change the name of the variable to app variable player 2 choice. Next, as before, when 2/10ths of a second have passed, the value of the turns variable needs to be increased by 1 and the text in the label turn needs to be changed. So, let's duplicate the remaining 3 code blocks. I duplicate the wait 0.2 seconds code block and drag it down. Again, duplicate the change app variable turns by 1 code block and place it below the wait 0.2 seconds code block in the else if section. There is no need to make any changes in these 2 code blocks. Next, right-click on the set label turns text to code block and duplicate it. Let's drag the duplicated code block down like this. Now when player 2's turn is over, it's player 1's turn again. So let's change the text here as player 1's turn. Okay, we have now finished creating part of the code for the tic-tac-toe game. Let's click the live test button and see how to play the part we have created. Here I will select O. Now player 1 has selected letter O. Therefore player 2 gets the letter X. Now I click on this button. Here the letter O was displayed. Next, it's player 2's turn. I click on a button again. Player 2 gets the letter X, so the letter X is displayed here. Again, it's player 1's turn. Good. If you made it like this, you little ones are very successful. WhatsApp your design to me on the phone number 076-812-5244. Tell your friends about the design. Check out this app to send to me as well as to your friends. And one more thing, join the DP Coding School Telegram group. Try to be the DP Code Champ Best of the Week every week. Stay connected with us. Also another thing, join our DP Coding Club and now you can start a DP Coding Club in your school. We are ready to give all the guidance for that. If you are interested in starting DP Coding Clubs in any school that has computer labs, please send a request to the principal to the email address info@dpcc.lk. Okay, let's meet again with another interesting lesson through DP Coding School. Have a good day.